Conflict of laws, private international law visualized. Private international law is the set of rules that regulate relationships between individuals in an international context. It deals with the conflict of laws whenever a dispute involves a foreign element or multiple jurisdictions. The law deals with three main topics: jurisdiction, foreign judgments, and choice of law. Jurisdiction determines when it is suitable for a local court to hear a dispute having a foreign element. On the other hand, foreign judgments deal with the rules that a local court has to apply when a verdict is issued by a foreign court abroad. And the choice of law resolves the question of which substantive laws will be applied in the dispute. For example, if a contract is made in Ireland but is to be fulfilled abroad, it will be necessary to decide which law governs the validity of the contract. While public international law regulates the limits of a state's exercise of governmental functions, private international law, on the other side, regulates whether a particular country has jurisdiction to determine the dispute and the rules of which country will be applied. This is because, unlike public international law, conflict of laws does not regulate the relation between countries but rather how countries regulate internally the affairs of individuals with connections to more than one jurisdiction.